from salt and sorrow, woven out of stars and bone. We sing the gods we don't remember, and hearses that don't